Hi! In today's video, we take a look at LEGO excavators in different scales. Let's get building! Our first set, with just 18 pieces, clearly reveals the distinct shapes of an excavator. Next, with 48 pieces, the complexity begins to build. This mini excavator set is beautifully detailed. Moving to 104 pieces, this excavator set showcases a fully articulated arm and robust tracks. It presents a striking representation in vibrant yellow. Advancing to 286 pieces, this excavator set is a true marvel of LEGO Technic engineering, beautifully designed and offering enhanced functionality for a dynamic building experience. Progressing to 633 pieces, this yellow construction excavator set showcases detailed engineering with multiple attachment options, offering a versatile and immersive building experience. Next, with 720 pieces, this LEGO Technic crawler excavator features a sophisticated grapple attachment and serves as a superb homage to industrial machinery. With 1,018 pieces, this excavator stands as a true engineering marvel. Its detailed and precise construction captures the essence of real-life heavy machinery, serving as an exceptional tribute to the complexities of engineering. This 1127-piece model captivates with its breathtaking detail and impressive appearance, making it a true standout and my favorite model featured in this video. Concluding our showcase, this massive 3,929-piece bucket excavator set features an immense rotating bucket wheel and a detailed conveyor system, capturing the monumental scale and functionality of real-life mining equipment. As we wrap up our exploration of LEGO excavators, we've witnessed a stunning display of engineering and design, from the smallest sets to the colossal bucket excavator. Each model has vividly brought to life the incredible capabilities and complexity of construction machinery. See you next time!